This video addresses the error travel area exceeds print volume in OctoPrint when attempting to print to an Ender-3 using a G-code file that was created with Cura. To understand why this happens and to address the issue, let's go into our OctoPrint settings. Under Printer Profiles, let's edit our profile for the Ender-3. And then under Print Bed and Build Volume, the default settings, or the settings we're looking at for an Ender-3, is going to be 220, 220, and 250 for our width, depth, and height. Now, the reason we're seeing this error is because there is something in our G-code that is beyond this range. And where we'll find this, I'll go ahead and open up an example G-code file, is at the very end, there's this line here called present print. This is where when your print finishes, it moves the bed forward so you can easily access it. And you can see it's trying to set it to Y235, which is outside the boundary of what we set for Y220. To address this, because we're not actually trying to print at that dimension, it's okay to go a little bit outside of these this bounding box. So what we're going to do is create a custom bounding box. And we're just going to bump up the Y and X coordinates to 235. And we'll leave the Z coordinate at the max of 250. And we'll say confirm, save our changes, get rid of that error message. And we can go ahead and reopen our G-code file. We should no longer get any error messages, and we should be good to go to print.